Hello, my dear students. Welcome to online accountancy class. In this session, we are going to revise that is fundamental of partnership. Today's our topic that is minimum profit guarantee. Minimum profit guarantee by a partner to the other partners. So here is our problem. There are three partners, that is Ahmed, Bhim, and Daniel. And on 1st April 2011, their capital balance was 8 lakhs, 6 lakhs, and 4 lakh respectively. And the profit sharing ratio, it was 5:3:2. Partners are entitled to interest on capital 5% per annum. So on their capital, this will entitled to get 5% commission. So 8 lakh into 5%, that is 40,000. 6 lakh into 5%, 30,000. 4 lakh 5%, 20,000. So total interest on capital, it is coming 90,000. Now after that, like salary to 3,000 per month. So per annum we have to calculate 3,000 into 12. 3,000 into 12, that is 36,000 salary be allowed to second partner of him. So that is also, it is a appropriation item and expenses of the partnership firm. After that, commission of rupees 12,000 will be allowed to third partner, that is Daniel. So here it is per annum provided. So commission of rupees 12,000, nothing mentioned, means it is a per annum. So here PL appropriation account debit to Daniel commission. Now this is the normal situation, but here that is guarantee are there, guarantee instruction are there. Ahmed's share of profit excluding interest on capital. So interest on capital of Ahmed, that is coming 30,000. We will not consider that. Excluding interest on capital is guaranteed at not less than 25,000. Means Ahmed's share of profit to be minimum 25,000. Maximum it may be any amount, but if it is coming less than 25,000, so that like shortcoming has to recover by some other partners. So that guarantee will provided by any other partners here. Now here, who is that partner here? Now I will mention here. Now next, another information, Bhim's share of profit including interest on capital, this time including interest on capital, but excluding his salary is not less than 55,000. And deficiency arise on that account shall be made by the Daniel. Third partner, that deficiency will be there. Like if Ahmed's share of profit is not coming 25,000, that is excluding interest on capital, we will not include that. Separately, if his share of profit is coming less than 25,000, then shortcoming will bear by the Daniel. Say for example 24,000 came. 1,000 shortage, so you have to take from Daniel 1,000. From Daniel's share of profit amount, how much is there? From there you have to take 1,000 and you have to give to Ahmed. But if it is coming 25,000 and above, then no problem, no shortage arises, so no guarantee will take by Daniel in case of Ahmed. Now in case of second partner, that is Bhim, Bhim's share of profit including interest on capital but excluding salary. The salary will ignore here. Salary, it is like 36,000 will not consider at the time of calculating minimum amount of profit. But here you have to consider there is interest on capital, that is 30,000. So 30,000 and as well as also like share of profit, how much came. So altogether should be minimum 55,000. If it is coming here less than that, then shortcoming or shortage will bear by Daniel. So this is the actual meaning of this part, that minimum profit guarantee bear by one partner to other two partner, and here actual profit before above appropriation, so 2,16,000. So first of all you have to consider profit and loss appropriation account, and you have to find out how much share of profit is coming, or it is coming same amount or shortage. So if shortage, then Daniel will be responsible for that. Let's see the solution. This is our solution here. By profit and loss account, net profit 2,16,000. First we'll provide interest on capital 8 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh. 5%, that is 40,000, 30,000, 20,000. Total interest on capital coming 90,000. Now secondary partner, that is Bhim's salary is 36,000. Daniel commission 12,000. So after charging these are all against this profit here, residue or individual profit is there 78,000. Just we are doing two phase. First phase like individual profit calculation, that is balance CD, and that is being transferred as a Y balance VD 78,000, same amount. Now that 78,000 will distribute according to the profit sharing ratio, and we'll see whether the amount is coming or not, or minimum profit. If it is not coming, then how much shortage is there. So if you see here, first partner Ahmed 78,000 into 5 by 10, it is coming 39,000, whereas minimum profit it was like here, that is minimum profit to Ahmed 25,000. So here in normal situation Ahmed got his minimum profit, no need to like bear any shortage amount by Daniel. So normal situation 39,000, so it is above 25,000 came. Now Bhim's share of profit, it is coming 23,400. Now if 23,400 and his interest on capital 30,000, if you add this 30,000 plus 23,400, it is coming here 53,400. So actually the guarantee it was provided 55,000, but it is coming 53,400. 23,400 plus 30, it is coming 53,400. So 1,600 shortage. So that shortage we will take from Daniel. So therefore Daniel share, it is coming here 78,000 into 210, that is 15,600, and we deduct 1,600 from Daniel, and that is added to Bhim 1,600 to make up his minimum profit 25,000 plus interest on capital 30, so 55,000 came here. Now one is working is there, one see the working here. Bhim's share of profit normal situation coming to 3,400, add interest on capital 30,000, so total profit including interest on capital 5,3,400, but guarantee profit 55,000, therefore shortage amount here 55,000 minus 5,3,400, that is 1,600 shortage or deficiency which will bear by Daniel. So therefore this 1,600 we deducted from Daniel and we added to Bhim. And Ahmed's share of profit 39,000, which is more than the guarantee profit. So therefore no need to add with Ahmed's share of profit. Normal situation, it is exceed to the minimum profit. So that is the thing here. So therefore here we deducted from Daniel 1,600 and the same amount we added to him to make up the minimum profit guarantee. So this is the way to find out amount of minimum profit, and when any shortage arises, if any partner want to take the responsibility or want to bear that shortage amount, so that way we can find out. Now if like one partner shortage want to bear by the remaining partner, that time generally we do like through the profit sharing ratio, with the help of profit sharing ratio. Say for example Ahmed, Bhim and Daniel, there are three partners here. Profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. It is provided. Now suppose Ahmed's share of shortage is there, say for example 5,000. Now remaining partners like Bhim and Daniel, if you want to bear, then that time that 5,000 will be a 3:2 ratio, because 5:3:2 this is the ratio. So we'll leave the Ahmed's share of profit and we'll give the remaining Bhim and Daniel in their respective share, that shortage amount will bear. That is the rule of partnership. When partnership firm bear the minimum profit, or partnership firm provide the guarantee to a particular partner, that time generally we will use this method in the basis of profit sharing ratio of the remaining partner. So that type of problem may can come here. that remaining partners, that is called firm, provide minimum profit guarantee to a partner. And here in this problem, one partner provide the guarantee, that is AG. Here directly we will minus from that partner who provide the guarantee. Here in this case is like Daniel provide the guarantee, therefore we deducted from Daniel and we added that guarantee partners. So this way we can solve like this type of problem, minimum profit guarantee of a partner by other partner or minimum profit guarantee by a firm to other partners. So I think so this will help to our learner, which will give more clear idea about the calculation of minimum profit guarantee. Now I'm going to conclude this session. This is the solution. Thank you and God bless.